Are you looking for a mid-range wireless microphone to amplify your content creation? Maybe you've got one of these.
Brother,
And you're looking for a dramatic quality increase that's not going to break the bank. Well, look no further than the Hollyland LARK M2. This wireless microphone offers an amazing value for the product you receive, and it holds its own against much more expensive microphones such as the Rode Wireless Pro or the Shure Move Mic. I picked this up as a combo pack that includes a camera receiver for a mirrorless or a DSLR camera, a USB-C receiver for an Android devices, and a Lightning receiver for iPhones for $111 before tax. Amazon is currently running a Black Friday deal, and if you jump on it quick, you might be able to snag it at that low price as well. Join me today as I unbox this sweet little piece of tech, run it through a couple comparison tests, and then test its range. If you like what you see, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And just a disclaimer, I am not a tech creator. This is my very first live unboxing ever. So please, I'm a gentle, sensitive soul. Please don't roast me too hard in the comments. Let's go! Alright, so here we have it. It's the LARK M2, ready to unbox. Nice, handsome gift packaging. Everything looks really good on the box. Crack her open. Let's see what we got here. We got manuals. Yes. Put those to the side. Here we have the charging case. Very nice. Let's open this up, take a look inside. Put this stuff over here. Yeah, beautiful. Here we have the receiver for the camera. 2 transmitters. Looking real nice. Look how small those are. I wish I had a quarter or something. It's about the size of a quarter. Very nice. We have the little magnet closure on the back. Very cool. Very, very cool. Gonna open these up a little bit. Oh, it's already charged up already. Put these back in here. Let these go just like that. Nice. Already charging up. We got a little charging indicator. Very, very cool. Very sleek. Nice, convenient little, almost looks like a little loot box. Pretty cool. Take this out and start this charging. There we go. Ready to charge. Looking good. Let's see what else we got in here. We have the USB-C. It's the mobile phone transmitter. There we go. Plugs right into your Android phone. Lightning connector for iPhone. I will not be using this. I'm an Android boy after all. There we go, there's that. Not like I need it anyway. Anything else in here? So we got some accessories. Bag with all kinds of goodies in it. Let's see what's in this bag. Actually a nice, very kind of almost canvas bag with a really durable closure there. It's really cool. I always like little bags like this. Very useful. Let's see what else we got in here. What's this? Oh yeah. So in case you don't like the magnet closure, you can put these, attach them to the clip and put them on your clothes like a traditional lav mic. Got the Hollyland logo on them. Very cool. Got it's like a 3.5 jack for the wireless receiver for your camera. Charging cable. Got the little dead cat, looks like. Nice. Very cool. Just gonna throw that on, see what it looks like real quick. There we go. Nice. Very cool. Anything else? Like another dead cat. We get 2 of them. Sweet. I think that is everything. Is it? Oh. Can't forget these. We have necklaces. In case you don't want to clip it to your clothes, you can wear this around your neck. Maybe you want to film some content at the beach or at the gym, you don't have a shirt on. Just go right around your neck, connect right onto here. Or they should. There we go. You wear that around your neck if you wish, if you don't want to clip it on your clothes. Very cool. And I think that is it. Yeah, very nicely packaged. Looks really cool. Can't wait to try these out. Very, very nice. Very slick. This is a test of the K-Miller USB wireless microphone. This transmitter is connected by a USB-C and is being captured raw through OBS with no filters, equalizers, or enhancements. This is a test of the Sennheiser Profile USB microphone. This microphone is connected via USB-C and is being captured raw through OBS with no filters, equalizers, or enhancements. This is a test of the LARK M2 wireless microphone. This transmitter is connected via the camera receiver and is being captured raw through OBS with no filters, equalizers, or enhancements. This is a test of the LARK M2 wireless microphone. This transmitter is connected via the USB-C receiver and is being captured raw through OBS with no filters, equalizers, or enhancements. All right, so now we're gonna do a little range test. Kind of a dreary day out here, but I'm gonna take a walk down my street, see how long it takes before we lose signal, or if we lose signal, and let's get started. Now I might just start to lose reception with my body blocking the signal. I'm a thick boy, so might cut out sooner than normal. We'll take a look. Probably walk down towards the end of the street here. We'll take back to that truck. $250, 300 feet or so. If I've got reception at this distance, I'll be super impressed. Start walking back. Not even sure if my camera can pick me up at this point with all this fog. But I've seen similar instances where the reception on this transmitter is very, very large, so hopefully I still had signal at that point. There's no reason for me to be filming at that distance, but I'm sure there's use cases for other people that need about 200, 300 feet of range. I can't figure one out personally, but maybe somebody needs that. Let's go check it out and see how it did. So what do you think, guys? My initial impressions are really, really good. I haven't had a lot of time to test these extensively. I might revisit this review in 3 months or so after I've gotten some time to really use them. But as of right now, I am really impressed with this system. It feels like it's a really premium quality product, and for the price I paid, it's an amazing value. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know how I did on my very first tech video. Hope you guys have a pleasant day, and as always, stay hungry. Peace.